Hey guys, what's going on? It's Emmy again with Bargain Mama, and I don't usually come on prior to a walkthrough, but you guys, if you have never watched one of my walkthroughs, you have to watch this one. I was so amazed. Like, they have a brand new section in there that's the jewelry making section, and to me, they were super cheap deals, like gummy bear, like little charms and stuff. They had a whole new sewing kits with sequin stuff, all new cross-stitching kits. Oh my gosh, like brand new fabric, super cute fabrics, like stuff I have never ever seen in there before. So, like I said, if you all have never watched one of my walkthroughs, watch this one. And if you don't like my voice because it's too quiet or something, turn it down, but do not miss this walkthrough because it is amazing. All right, guys, thanks. So, I have hit the mother load of crafting stuff at this Dollar Tree. These crochet kits, they're cactuses. That one's pink, turquoise, purple, and green. Can we please talk about this one? What the hell? I don't care. I'm not getting it. Let's see. Look at these sewing doll kits. 1 sewing needle, 4 craft fur fabric panels, 5 pre-cut felt panels, stuffing, and 3 thread colors. Then the embroidery hoop kit, 1 plastic embroidery hoop, 1 fabric panel, 1 sewing needle, 4 thread colors. The hoop alone costs that much at Walmart, so I think that's a great deal. This one's the leaf. Okay, so there, we're just gonna go back and forth. There's so much. Here's another sewing doll kit. This is the llama, but look at the fabric. It's the sequined fabric on that one. A DIY needle felting kit. Comes with 1 foam pad, 3 pieces of felting needles, 1 piece 9 shaped needles, and 1 piece keyring, and then I guess all those colors. Let's see. Here is another sewing doll kit with sequins. And then look at these, they're new storage crafters kits. So this one, and I apologize, it's hard to do one-handed, but why can I not get it open now? Hold on. I just had it open looking at it. Okay, hold, let's see if I can't get it open. Hold on a second. Okay, so I got it open, and then it has all the little, oh, for the love, all the little circles in it. With all of these and all the little squares. So guys, when I say I hit the mother load in craft, these are amazing. So these are keychains, the DIY crochet. There's a pink whale, avocado, we have a star, and a lemon. I'm not quite sure. And so it has the yarn, a knitting marker, a crochet hook, a needle, a keychain, instructions, and 4 ounces of stuffing. Sorry, someone came around. Here's an eye. More flowers. Let's see. Butterfly. And then, I almost fell over. Here's a new, to me, case, but look, this one is way deeper than the other ones. Okay, I just had it open a second ago. And then like, it's this open part, and then these dividers come out. But look how deep it is. I forgot to show you the strawberries. They're so cute. And then, new to me, they have these new kinds of fabric. If if you can see, they have like the circles in this fabric. So what is it called? Just crafters square. They have the pink, yellow, blue, white. And then here is this different kind of fabric to me. Like, I don't know, it's soft, but it's almost like microfiber, but it's not. There's like this mustard, a purple, a dark blue, a white. There was a pink in here. Here's a pink, but look at the fabric. I'm trying to show you what kind it is. I don't know. So I also hadn't seen these iron-on patches before, the cherries and the popsicles. And this ice cream and the cake. I've not seen those ones before. So, you guys, they have jewelry making things now. They have the beads. These are yellow. They're by Cousin DIY. 100 of the smiley faces in yellow. 100 of them in silver. Gold letters, 60 pieces. Silver letters, 60 pieces. 45 grams of the little mini beads. Okay, so in this jewelry making by Cousin, look at this suede. So it is 8 feet. Look at that color. Oh my god, that green is gorgeous. Orange suede, like a maroon. I'm gonna put them all back, I promise, but there's so many. Here's black, the blue, a brown, here's a purple, and a yellow. Now I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna put them right back in that spot. Okay, so this is the aluminum wire from the jewelry making, and that's 9 feet. There's silver, black, silver, like a bronze. I don't know. Oh, that other one was copper. This is bronze. More copper. And here's some gold. And then when you come over here, they actually have craft earring cards, 15 pieces in that shape. And in this shape, there's 15 of them in there, guys. And then the clear stretch cords. Here is 100 pieces of gummy bear beads. Trying to see if you can see them, they're pretty cute. Just some tassels. Here's this one, a celestial bead pack. It has the wire or the clear elastic, all these little beads, and then these beads in 2 moon charms. Okay, what is this one? This is 28 pieces bracelets finding pack. It has black and clear elastic cord. It has all the silver fittings for a bracelet and the claw clips and gold. Over here is the jewelry repair kit. It has so many different backs of earrings, 60 pieces, but it has the flat backs, the hooks, all that in there. And we have 5 of the corded necklace bases. This is a large whole bead bracelet, but who the hell is that little bracelet gonna fit is what I want to know. Here is just turquoise large hold beads. This is a mermaid large hole bead, 5 pieces, and the beads, and then the mermaid things. I hope all these have not been blurry. Oh, this is the cross one. I have that right here. Large hole cross beads, 5 pieces. This one is a spring large hole beads. There's a butterfly in there. Then we have all these rainbow seed beads. Then we have these 2 mushroom charm pack. And then those. I'm gonna try to go slow because I don't know if my stuff was blurry. Here's some little 4 pieces of metal clay assorted cutters, like a butterfly and a flower and a square, heart, star, circle, and those ones. And then, let me see. So then we have cross stitch kits. Thread colors, 1 loop, a threader, and 4-inch plastic hoop. Oh, look at that donut. And here's the cherries. Look at these gummy bears. What the heck? And those colors are in there. And let's see, they have these flowers. Let me see.